Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Yes guys, we are making leg of lamb today. It's so delicious. You have to come along with me, okay? And let's do this. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. As you can see, I paired it up with this crispy, crunchy potatoes. Guys, come along with me and let's do this. Right guys, to start, I have some spices here. I have some bay leaves, some lime leaves as well, and I have some oregano, I have some thyme, this is fresh thyme, and some black pepper and some fresh rosemary. Yeah, I love rosemary with it. Guys, it takes it to another level, so try this, okay? So I blend all of that and I am going to put them into just melted butter. Okay, this is melted butter and I added to it nicely. I'll put everything in the description box for you, okay, so that you can try it. Guys, you have to try this. It's absolutely delicious. I add some salt to it as well, okay, and this is powdered, or let's say granules. Okay, this is just onion granules, garlic granules, and also some ginger. All right, yes, I added ginger powder. I'll put all of them down for you in the description box, so don't worry about that. Yes, and I add some mustard. Yeah, mustard. I tell you, it takes it to another level. Okay, yeah. So before I put all this goodness on my leg of lamb, I wash it nicely and I made some dents on it as well, just for the spices to go into it. Okay, and then I spread all this delicious and really nice flavorful mixture on my leg of lamb. Okay, as you can see, yes, I'm just putting it everywhere. And this is the day before, mind you. Okay, I do that the day before. I put that in the fridge, and then the next day I put that into the oven. I've had to put some rosemary into it as well, into the dents I made, the fresh rosemary. Yes, it will make it really lavish, so try it. Put that into a parcel and into the fridge it goes. And then the next day, yes, this is the next day, guys, and that's my leg of lamb. Put that into my baking tray and it's going right into the oven at 220 degrees. Okay, and I'll allow it to cook. It will take about an hour and a half, depending on the kilos of leg of lamb you're using. Mine took about 2 hours. Okay, and I love it well done, guys. As you can see, it's all done and it's so delicious. So you have to try this recipe. Okay, it's so yummy. Just look at that. It's absolutely delicious. I tell you, try it. You are going to love it. Okay, I paired it up with very crispy potatoes that I made, and I'm going to show you the next recipe how I made this really crunchy crispy potatoes. So if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share this recipe and make it for friends and family. Bye.